So I have another seat of the pants engineering little trick here that I just come up with. One thing that always annoys me about some of these models, like this 50 Chevy pickup, is when you put the hood on it, you have to be careful when you turn it upside down. It always falls off, right? Right now I'm also working on making some realistic hinges. That's another story. But this time here, I've got right there, see the little round thing there? And then up front, I have a piece of sheet steel coffee can lid. So right there in the grill there, I have a magnet there. I have two magnets on each side so that when I put the hinge, so when I'm going to make it so the hinge just simply goes on there like that. So then all I have to do is pull the hood off of the hinge, and then the hinge is dovetailed in that part right there. But I made the hinges before and I lost them, so I was pissed off. So I thought, well, if I'm going to do this, it's going to be improved. So anyway, here's what I've got going on right now. So the magnets are now pulling together there. And then I have a magnet on the steel there. And then I have, see that? The hood doesn't even come off now. But all I have to do there is just go up like that. And it's enough to pull the hood up. So anyway, that's latest for Seat of the Pants Engineering.